How to hide messenger chats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can hide chats on messenger, so just make sure to stick with me till the end. If you want to hide your chats on messenger, all you have to do is open up the messenger app, and this is the kind of interface you will see, where what you have to do is, let's say there's a certain chat that you want to hide. Well, you can hide it by archiving it. To archive it, it will not show up in the home page right over here, so long press on it, then tap on this archive option. You can see the chat no longer exists on the home tab. Now if you want to find that hidden chat, tap on the three lines option from the top left, then go to this option here that says archive and then tap on it. Then once you're here, then you will see a list of all the chats that you've happened to archive. If you want to chat from here, that's perfectly fine, or you can long press on it and choose to unarchive it. So this way you'll be able to hide or unhide chats on messenger. Hope this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.